drillers. Come on. He has to send us a universe. Come on, guys. Yes, Lewis. Boom, shakalaka, mate. Come on. Boom, shakalaka, laka, 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 boom. Boom, shakalaka, laka, 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 boom. Come on, guys. Come on, drillers. We're so close, guys. We're so close. All we got to get is 2,000 points and we get a universe. Yes! Universe, mate.
What happened? What happened to you? What happened?
Woo!
What happened? What happened?
Universe.
What universe?
You
Look
said
at my
you
score.
complete 2,000 points, you get a universe.
If you lose on 2,000 points,
You better send that universe, mate.
You look at my point. Three lead, 3,000
Brilliant.
lead.
Yes.
3,000 lead.
Yes! Never had a universe in my life, mate.
No.
I've never had a universe in my life, guys.
What I said.
Never.
Listen.
You better send that universe, mate.
Listen. Can you listen to me?
Never had a universe in my life. Let's snipe him. Let's beat him as well, guys. Let's show him what the drillers can do. I'm getting a universe.
Need of urgent medical attention.
I'm phoning him, mate. He didn't give me my universe. I'm phoning the police. It's simple as. It's simple as, mate.
Thank you for calling 101. We're connecting you to Metropolitan Police. If you require an alternative course, press hash. You can get help from 101 online.
No, he promised me a universe. I'm going to report him.
Press 1.
He's on TikTok. He's going around promising people lines and universes and he's not giving anything.
Thank you for calling the Metropolitan Police
No, I'm
101
calling them.
service. If you wish to report a crime that is happening now, or someone is injured and in need of urgent medical attention,
I've had it, mate.
or in immediate
I want my
danger,
universe.
please hang up and dial 999 now. You can report a non-emergency crime via our website.
I'm phoning the police, mate. He's promised me a universe and he ain't sent one. It's got to be against the law to do that.
No, he's at bingo.
So you've got those points.
I don't know. He just said he was at bingo or something.
No. Done it again.
He
Come on,
just said
Dylan.
he was
I'm good, Johnny G. How you been, mate?
He just said he was at bingo, bruv.
Everyone tap and share. Come on, guys. Let's get the likes up.
Yeah, it was triple points. Pretty much, this game is pretty much all real points. He's not done too much this game. I think he's at bingo, that's why. I think he's gone now. Because he's going bingo or something.
Oh, it's getting cold. I can feel the chill coming in my window.
We've got a nice little streak here now. Hey, big up with the
Come on, guys. Let's go, drillers.
Happening now, or someone is injured and in need of urgent medical attention, or in immediate
Because someone's
danger,
botting the account,
please
mate.
hang up
They're gonna
and
have to be reported for it.
999
It's
now.
harassment.
You can report a non-emergency crime via our website at
Know what I mean?
www.met.police.uk. That's
I'm reporting it.
met.uk. For custody-related inquiries, please press 1. To report a new crime or antisocial behaviour, press 2. To provide or receive an update on an existing crime report, press 3.
Oh, I can.
For
I'm
road
going
traffic
to.
incidents, press 4.
It's harassment.
To con-
Morning, guys. Just a quick one from me. Basically, I would tell you to listen to your girlfriend and their advice, because sometimes when you receive an offer and it seems too good to be true.
No, that's why.
Oh, it's right. You're lying. Oh, come here. Oh, God. Well, you've been pranking me quite a lot lately, so yeah, I thought I'd prank you back, and I surely did, didn't I? And screamed. You screamed the whole place down. Well, I want to think next time pranking me, how I'm going to prank you back. See, I said there was a rat and you literally... Well, I'll prank you worse than you prank me. Remember that. I will prank you worse than you prank me. Remember that. I will prank you worse than you prank me. Remember that.
And dial 999.
No, I'm calling the police. You want to be
You can
botting
report non-emergency
someone's
crime
account, mate?
at www.
Because I'm calling the police. You want to be botting the accounts, mate? I'm calling the police. You want to be botting accounts.
If you require an alternative force, press
Okay,
hash.
pre-recorded. Because someone's botting the account, mate. They're gonna have to be reported for it. It's harassment.
You can report a non-emergency crimes or antisocial behaviour incidents via our website. Visit www.met.police.uk/report. That's
I am playing them, man.
met.police.uk/report.
I'm ringing them.
Where you will find our online reporting system. If the crime or antisocial behaviour you're reporting occurred on the London Underground or on a National Rail train or station, please report this to the British Transport Police by calling 0800 40 50 40. That's 0800 40 50 40. To have this call transferred to the British Transport Police, please press 1. If you wish to speak with an operator and report now, press 9. For the main menu,
Hello, this is Pete. What's the reason for your call?
Yeah, hi. I'm famous on TikTok, and somebody just tried to throw a bottle, I think, through at my window, through my window, and it missed. And my bro,
You was doing what?
I'm quite big on TikTok. I'm well known on TikTok. My name is Mr. UK TikTok official, and somebody tried to throw a bottle through my window while I'm live on my TikTok, because obviously I'm gonna have the window open because it's quite hot. Somebody must.
One sec. Did it go through the window?
No, luckily it didn't. It's fallen on the floor.
What's your address?
My address is. Screamed and went crazy when I went mental when someone threw a bottle. But my brothers just informed me that while I was at my girlfriend's, they intended to put throw a firework into the window.
Who said that? Your brother?
Yeah, my brother heard them outside while I was at my girlfriend's at the weekend.
How did you find that out?
Because he was looking at his window, and because people were making noise outside, and he heard them. Just not finding it out. He heard them outside, and
Okay.
yeah, they
You
basically
found out by hearing then, isn't it?
yeah. So I do know there's CCTV and that on the estate and stuff like that, but that's quite serious if they intended to try and throw a firework.
Absolutely, yeah.
Like I do get the odd person going past the window shouting, "Mr. UK TikTok official," but just as I don't know their supporters or fans, but this is a new one where they've tried to do a bit more. Obviously,
And your name is
my name is Kevin Wright.
Kevin.
Wright, yeah, Kevin Wright, WRIGHT. Full name Kevin Leonard Frederick James Wright.
Oh, one sec.
Like, that's quite serious if they, you know, they did, but they noticed that the window was probably I wasn't in. They probably noticed that, so they didn't do it.
And you said you're famous on TikTok.
Yeah.
What do you do on TikTok?
I dance and sing on my lives and battle. I dance and sing on my lives outside. So done it at Buckingham Palace, Windsor Castle, Manchester, Amsterdam, Paris, Greece, Turkey. Next stop, hopefully Miami. But yeah, the firework thing, when my brother just told me now, I don't know why he only just told me now. Probably because he remembered when someone's just tried to throw a bottle. I don't know whether the bottle could have fingerprints on it or not. I don't know. But trying to do fireworks is a bit more serious. There's no damage, no. Luckily, obviously, no. But, you know, who to say they're not planning on thinking they're going to come back? That's why I'm reporting it for my own safety.
I'll send that for brief attend as soon as possible.
Okay.
All right, within the hour.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, mate.
You're welcome.
Take care. Have a nice evening. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
The suspects, are they still around, you think?
I don't know. They could be. They could be. Who knows? Should I go? Do you want me to go out and investigate? Probably no. You're going to say, no, I wouldn't if I was you.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
All right, then. Well, I'll look forward to speaking to the police soon about this.
The reference number as well.
Okay, text me. Okay, thank you very much.
Yep. All right,
All right.
take care.
All right. Bye. That's done that. Hopefully that's going to deter them, because my brother saw what they were wearing the other night. They're wearing black, grey tracksuit bottoms with black on the ends and black on the ends of their feet as well. So whatever that must be a distinctive make of a tracksuit bottom, which not many people are going to be wearing, to be honest. Well done, Paul, for spotting them. You're F, mate.
I thought you originally called them because of the bots in the live.
Nah. Someone threw a bottle, and someone intended to actually throw a firework in here as well.
Kenko, big up Kenko. Kenko, thank you.
My TikTok official today marks the third time you have called the police in today's.
Press 3. For road traffic incidents, press 4. To contact an officer or individual, press 5.
Calling 101. We're connecting you to Metropolitan Police.
Yes, Michelle.
Require an alternative force.
Michelle, surely this botting's got to be against the law. Ain't it, Barry?
You can get help from 101
Yes, Denise.
online. If you'd like to receive a link in a text, press 1. Otherwise, please continue to hold and we'll connect you to the 101 phone service.
It's got to be this botting. It's got to be against the law, isn't it, Michelle?
Thank you for calling the Metropolitan Police 101 service. If you wish to report a crime that is happening now, or someone is injured and in need of urgent medical attention, or in immediate danger, please hang up and dial 999 now. You can report a non-emergency crime via our website at www.met.police.
Go on, send a line, bruv. I'll screen record it.
.police.uk. For custody-related
Go on then,
inquiries,
bruv.
please press 1. To report a new crime or antisocial behaviour, press 2. To provide or receive an update on an existing crime report, press 3. For road traffic incidents, press 4. To contact an officer or individual, press 5. To hear these options again, press 0, or to speak with an operator, press 9.
All right, for that.
For custody-related inquiries, please press 1. To report a new crime or antisocial behaviour, press 2. To provide or receive an update on an existing crime report, press 3. For road traffic incidents, press 4. To contact an officer or individual...
Right, do you know what, guys? You know what?
On an existing crime report, press 3. For road traffic incidents, press 4. To contact an officer or individual, press 5. To hear these options again, press 0, or to speak with a... For custody-related inquiries, please press 1. To report a new crime or antisocial behaviour, press 2.
You can get help from 101
I mean,
Why are you doing it down here while I'm watching telly?
Because it's not funny.
Otherwise, please continue to hold and we'll connect you to the 101 phone service.
Your dad wants to watch his programme, mate. You know, it's back in the 60s.
You're ignorant.
Just letting you know what they're doing.
Thank you for calling the Metropolitan Police 101 service. If you wish to report a crime that is happening now, or someone is injured and in need of a
Blonde hair, bruv.
Come on.
Bruv, call the police on the
Come on, guys. Smash this on the ×3.
That's a fake hat and jacket.
If you require an alternative force, press hash.
End that call, bruv. End the
Come
call.
on, guys. ×3.
Hey,
Get
you lot.
help from 101 online.
×3, guys.
Be following me up as well, blood. You lot better be in here.
Oh, we didn't bloody do it on the ×3.
Continue to hold and we'll connect you to the 101 phone service.
How did your fingers make it to 9
Oh, what's
3
going on today?
times? How did your finger press 9 3 times, bro? You don't follow me up, though. Numbers, you don't follow the button.
Calling the Metropolitan Police 101 service.
Big up everybody in
Shocking.
Let's go.
Come on, Jillers.
Or someone is injured and in need of urgent medical attention or in immediate danger, please hang up and dial 999.
No, I'm telling you, the person's doing that botting over there. I'm reporting you.
Our website,
You're reporting your hairline. I'm reporting your hairline. I'm reporting your hairline. I'm reporting your house. Your house stinks. Follow.
To provide or receive an update on an
Bruv, I'm
existing
gonna
crime
report the
report,
all bags.
press 3. For road traffic incidents, press 4. To contact an officer or individual,
Big up everybody follow. Big up Dan. Big up Slick Rick. Big up Wizzy. Big up everybody tap up the screen though. Oh what? 200 people in my team. Hey, big up you lot though. Those are numbers, innit?
For
Make
custody
sure you lot
related
follow them.
inquiries, please press 1.
Make sure you lot follow
To
the team
report a
though.
new crime or antisocial behaviour, press
Make sure
2.
you lot click that heart me.
It does. It takes
Hey,
bloody
wait,
ages.
there's
Update
200
on
of
an
you.
existing crime report.
Can I get to 900 heartbeats?
For road traffic
Let's see if
incidents,
you lot about that life. Let's see if you lot can get me to 900 heartbeats more than the police, fam. Brother, what are the pom-poms doing over here, fam?
speak with an
Let's go
operator.
heartbeats. Let's go 900 heartbeats
Take
before
a
the
minute,
match
bruv.
finishes. Let's
Telling
go.
ya.
Let's go,
Calling
Lula.
101. We're connecting you to Metropolitan Police.
Nah, blood.
Come on,
Lock the
Jillers.
phone call off,
Oh,
blood.
it's a joke,
Press
mate.
hash.
Lock the phone call off, blood. Big up A.
Wait till I tell the police who's botting my account with this harassment, mate. I know who's doing it as well. Because you're following your own account. So dumb you are.
You can get help from 101 online. If you would like to receive a link in a text, press 1. Otherwise, please continue to hold and we'll connect you to the 101 phone service.
No, they're not going to laugh at me. Why are they going to laugh? It's harassment. When I spoke to them before, when that person was doing it before, it was harassment, bruv.
Thank you for calling the Metropolitan Police 101 service. If you wish to report a crime that is
Guys, come on,
happening
tap
now,
up that screen. The
or
one
someone
tapping the
is
most going to
injured
get a
and
free
in need of
subscription
urgent medical
when the live ends.
attention
There's 1,000 of you in
immediate
here, mate.
danger, please hang up.
Tap!
Dial 999 now. You can report a non-emergency crime.
Stop tapping my screen, mate. You're crashing the live.
met.police.uk. That's met.police.uk. For custody-related inquiries, please press 1. To report a new crime or antisocial
No, I'm telling you now,
behaviour,
mate. I've
press
had it.
2.
I've had it up to here.
To provide or receive an update on an existing crime report,
I'm not confused. Someone keeps spotting while I'm battling. I ain't confused.
to contact an officer or individual, press 5.
No, I'm not
hear
going to
these
calm
options
down.
Again, press 0, or to speak with an operator, press 9.
I ain't going to calm down, mate. I'm not having
Related
it.
inquiries, please press 1. To report a new crime or antisocial behaviour, press 2. To provide or receive
No, I'm not having
on
it.
an existing crime report,
I'm not having it.
for road traffic incidents, press 4.
No!
To contact an officer or individual, press 5.
Not having it, mate.
To speak with an operator, press 9.
Oh, I can't wait till I get through. Seriously, I don't want to so busy.
Connecting you to Metropolitan Police. If you require an alternative force, press hash.
Ah.
You can get help from 101 online.
No, mate.
If you would like to receive a link in a text,
It ain't funny.
otherwise, please continue to hold and we'll connect you to the 101 phone service.
You wait till I get through, mate. Person bottom my account.
Thank
You wait
for
till I get
calling
through,
the
bruv.
Metropolitan Police 101 service. If you wish to report a crime that is happening
It ain't
now,
funny, Carl.
or someone is injured
It ain't funny, Copsy. It ain't funny, Aaron. Gaza!
Please hang up and dial 999.
It's not funny. It's not funny, Essex. It's not funny, Lewis Sanders, mate.
At www.
It ain't funny. None of it's funny.
Police.uk.
Not having it.
That's met.police.uk.
Ah.
For custody-related inquiries,
Yes, Corey boy.
press 1. To report a new crime or antisocial behaviour, press 2.
I ain't having it.
To provide or receive an update on an existing
No, I ain't
crime
having it,
report,
mate.
press 3. For road traffic
I'm not having it.
press 4.
Thank you, Tracy, but I'm not
To
having it.
contact an officer or individual, press 5. To hear these options again, press
Thank
0.
you, Kyborg. I'm not having it.
Press 9. For custody-related
I'm not having it, mate.
inquiries,
Seriously, wait till I
press
get through.
1. To report a new crime
Wait
or
till I get through and tell you who's been botting my bloody account. I'm not having it!
or receive an update on an existing
Tap
crime
the screen,
report,
guys.
press 3. For road traffic incidents,
I'm not having it,
press
mate.
4. To contact an officer or individual,
You wait till I get
press
through.
5.
You wait till I get through, bruv.
Speak with an
Botting my
operator,
account while I'm basically... Botting my account while I'm battling people. I'm not having it.
Calling 101. We're connecting you to Metropolitan
I'm telling you now.
If you require an alternative force,
I'm not having it.
press hash. You can get help from 101 online.
It's harassment, mate.
If you would like to receive a link in a text, press 1. Otherwise, please continue
I'm not
to
having
hold,
it.
and we'll connect you to the 101 phone service.
I'm not having it, bruv. Thank you, Rhino. Thank you, Taylor. Thank you, G-Crew, for the Interstellar from before, mate. Let's have some more. Get in here and give me some more, bruv.
Thank you for calling the Metropolitan Police 101 service. If you
I'm not
wish
having
to
it.
report a crime that is happening now, or someone is injured and in need of urgent
I'm not
medical
having it, mate.
attention,
Seriously.
or in immediate danger, please hang up and dial 999 now.
I'm not having it.
You can report a non-emergency crime via our website at www.
And that guy who lied to say he was going to give me 10 lines and a universe as well. I ain't having it. I'm not having it, mate. Yes, Kazza Corpse. Yes, Welshie. I'm not having it, mate.
Please press 1. To report a new crime that is happening now, or someone is injured and in need of
It ain't funny!
or in immediate danger, please hang up and dial
Ain't having it!
999 now. You can report a non-emergency crime via our website.
It's not funny, mate. Ain't funny at all.
Met.police.uk.
Until I get through, I'm not having it!
.police.uk.
Ain't funny! Start sending me these gifts as well, mate!
Please press 1.
Do you think you are sending me a gift?
Report a new crime or antisocial behaviour.
Stop it!
To provide or receive an update on an existing crime report.
Dare send me a gift, mate! What are you doing?
Traffic incidents, press 4. To contact an officer.
Corey boy, FYP Dylan, what are you doing?
To hear these options again, press 0.
Becca! KB!
Press 9.
No!
You don't know what time it is, brothers. It's tennis time again, innit? I've been here every day performing. Today, I'm at the gate where all the celebrities are coming in. So Princess of Wales is expecting. I don't know who else is coming in, but I know the Princess of Wales is coming. Hopefully Central C comes. A few of rappers, footballers, many actors and that. And I'm hoping to obviously let them see me dance and do what I do. Like Mr. UK TikTok official, you don't know, but this is where they all come in. This is where all the VIPs come in, this entrance. It's the final, the day to be here, and it's the day to rock it, and the day to get noticed and get seen by the Princess of Wales. Whoever else is coming, I don't know, but this is where all the celebrities come in. They all come in this way. So this is gonna be insane. This is going to be insane. Hope you enjoy the show, because I'm about to enjoy it myself. Wow. Clear the news report there.
Are you ready? Don't be looking at me like angel. I'll get a fries Mars bar and you'll have it where the sun don't shine. That video. Let's go, guys. I am. WTF. Come on, mate. Can't be someone's boring live and they don't do nothing. Ready with a snipe, guys?